Have you ever stood in the rain and wondered why water falls from the sky in those perfect little drops? It's one of those everyday things we rarely question, but when you stop and think about it, it's kind of amazing. Why not a steady stream or tiny mist? Why drops? The answer lies in a mix of physics, gravity, and some pretty cool natural forces. It all starts up in the clouds. Clouds might look soft and fluffy, but they're actually made of countless tiny water droplets or ice crystals. These form when warm air rises and cools down, causing water vapor to condense around bits of dust or other particles in the air. As more water sticks to these tiny droplets, they get heavier and bigger. Eventually, they become too heavy for the cloud to hold, and gravity pulls them down. But why do they fall as drops and not some random shape? That's where surface tension comes in. Water molecules are naturally attracted to each other, creating an invisible skin on the surface of the water. This tension pulls the water into the most efficient shape possible, a sphere. That's why raindrops start their fall as tiny, round beads. As they fall through the air, though, things get a little less perfect. The air pushes against them, flattening their bottom while their top stays curved. Imagine a jelly bean shape. That's closer to what larger raindrops look like as they tumble toward the ground. Smaller drops stay more spherical, but the bigger they get, the more their shape changes. The size of raindrops depends on a few factors, like wind, temperature, and how much moisture the cloud holds. Some drops are as tiny as a pinhead, while others can grow as big as a marble before they break apart. The biggest raindrops often form in thunderstorms, where strong updrafts keep them suspended longer, giving them more time to grow. Another cool thing about raindrops is how they fall. They don't just drop straight down. They sway, spin, and sometimes collide with each other, merging into bigger drops or breaking apart into smaller ones. This dance through the sky is why rainfall can sometimes feel soft and gentle, and other times it's like someone's throwing tiny water balloons at you. When raindrops finally hit the ground, they bring more than just water. They carry bits of dust, pollen, and even microscopic life from high up in the atmosphere. This is why rain can sometimes have a distinct smell, a mix of earth, ozone, and fresh water that's unlike anything else. So the next time you're caught in the rain, take a moment to appreciate those little drops. They're the result of an incredible journey from cloud to ground, shaped by forces you can't even see. And who knew something so simple could be so fascinating?